If your Silverado's USB ports aren't charging or connecting to CarPlay, don't head to the dealer just yet. Nearly half of modern Chevy infotainment issues are caused by software hangs rather than physical hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find the exact cause of your connection issues. Always start with the basics by testing a different cable and cleaning out any debris inside the port. If the cable is fine, the problem usually lies in a blown fuse or a temporary software bug. Check fuses F26 and F27 in the cabin fuse block. If the metal bridge is broken, replace it. A system reset is free and fixes most glitches, but if the port feels physically loose, it needs replacement. A DIY port swap costs under $50, while a dealership visit can easily exceed $200. Performing a hard battery reset forces the USB controller to reboot, which often restores connectivity instantly. If you need to swap the module, you'll only need a plastic trim tool and a 7mm socket. Check for over-the-air updates in your settings menu, as Chevy frequently releases patches for these ports. Hopefully that got your phone charging again. Hit subscribe to keep your Chevy running right.